Do you want to present all progress in one visual? Yes, this is the best solution. Here we have sales by region. Press Alt is equal to find total sales. Fix baseline value as 0. Then select whole table and insert a column chart. Switch rows and columns. Change chart type to combo. Make sure total and baseline is line chart. Next, click on line chart and add up down bars. Now format data series. Here set gap width to 50%. Then remove line chart. Most important, gradient fill the bars. Delete inner stops. And format outer stops. Set right outer stops transparency to 100%. Let's reposition and resize the chart. Remove title and grid lines. Remove total and baseline from legends. It's time to add data labels. Shape the data labels. And format the data labels. Just take little more steps like remove chart outline, format legends and axis, hide sheet grid lines, remove baseline chart. Great, it's done. Learning Excel always leads you to work as key professional. If any question, please type in comment section.